Now we are going to see the important operator. It's a assignment operator which will check the variables and function in kind of gate, so logic gate wise. So yeah, so here we are declaring the boolean variables, so a and b. So to declare and initiate the data type as a boolean, we need to initiate one more header file, std bool.h. So then only it will take that as a data type boolean. So yeah, we have a boolean variable. So a we now standardize as a true, and boolean b is standardized as a false. So then we are writing if. So if a equal to true, so these two, this symbol is called as an or. So how or operator will work means, 1 0, which means 1 is true, 0 means false, so it is 1. Same as 0 and 1 means also 1, and same as 0 0 and 0 makes the statement as false. And if both are 1 means it is true. So here 1 means true and 0 means false. So here what we are making is that if a equal to true, though, so first this condition will check, then b equal to false, then this condition will run, else this condition will run. So yeah, now we are running it one time. So if is success, so this condition becoming true, which means that this is also true, this is also true. Now we make that. So as for understanding, I am changing into 1 0. So here also I am changing 1 and 0. So again we are running. So yeah, as you can see, if is success. So now I am changing that into if is 1. So now again I'm running. So here you can see this is also, this condition is false because b is not equal to 0, but a is equal to 1. That's why this condition becoming true. So now I am making invert. So now I am running. So as you can see, else is success. So both become 0. This is also false, this is also false. That's why it is coming as a 0. So 0, this is also false, this is also false. So this condition becoming false. So it is directly coming into else. So now, so this is the our operator as same as and. So this is and operator. So likewise, if we are doing that for and, so 1 0, so 1 0 becomes 0, 0 1 becomes 0, 0 0 also becomes 0, 1 1 become 1. If both the result, if all the results are true, then only it will give a true. If any one of is false, then it will give a false, like 0. This is how the AND operator will work. So now we are running the same thing. So as you can see, else is running. So first we make that as a correct one. So now you can see this function is correct. So if you change any one of this, if any one condition became false, this will not run, this if condition will not run, only else condition will run. So yeah, now we'll make one thing. So a is equal to 1, so this condition will become true, but this condition will become false. So now we are running it. So you can see else is success, so it is not giving us a true, so that's why it's directly going to else. And the last one is the not operator. So for that we only use one operator to understand that one. So if a is So we can directly check this one. For that we are going to change that true. So as you can see, if is success, which means that if a is true, so a is true, that's why it is printing. So if we make that as a false, it is coming else is success. So for directly writing true and false, if we use boolean, we don't need to write equal to true kind of things. We can directly write this. So yeah, inside that the value name will directly go into that. So a is false. So if we write not, then we are running it. So as you can see, a is false, but it will not. So not means simple. So if it is 1, then it will change into 0. Same as likewise, if it is 0, it will change into 1, which means if the variable is true, if we not that, it will become false. If the variable is false, it will become true. So yeah, now here we are checking that a is false. So now we are noting that a, so it became true. So it is coming like that. So if we make that as a true, if you run it, yeah, so else is success. So this condition is running because this condition becoming false. So yeah, that is the logical operators for a basic need. So still there is lot of operators are there. So yeah, we can see that in future. Thank you.